guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I am going to be doing a twist and perm rod set using Gabrielle Union's newly relaunched hair care line Flawless. So if you're excited like me, then definitely keep watching. So just some background before we get started. Gabrielle Union's hair care line Flawless consists of a 12 product lineup. Yes, a 12 product lineup. Now for this video I will be using 5 out of that 12, but all of her products pretty much fit for all hair types. Her products are also super affordable. All of her products are under $10, which is like the holy grail right there. And also they're easily accessible. You can find them on Amazon, and if you're like me who's always living on Amazon, that is just so convenient because I could just easily check out and boom, I'm good to go. And most importantly, I just love that her product line allows me to remain my true authentic self, and I think that's something that's really important. If you've been following me, that's something that I live, eat, and breathe by, authenticity. So I really appreciate that her products just channel and focus around that. Alrighty guys, so we had a little background session, so now let's just get into it. I will be taking you throughout my entire wash day routine. I know we all dread wash days, but we're gonna accomplish that today. So if you are ready to go, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get into this shampoo. Now what I love the most about this shampoo is that it really just lathers super quick, and that's something I really appreciate when it comes to using any type of shampoos. I love something that just lathers up super fast. It's definitely a pain having to work in products in order to get them to lather, so by this shampoo instantly lathering up so fast, it just makes the steps so seamless. Now this deep conditioner actually made detangling a breeze, which I love. I know sometimes we get lazy with deep conditioning, and you know, it's just time consuming and we don't want to stand there forever detangling, but I actually didn't mind this deep conditioner because the product really allowed my comb to just glide through super easy without any hassle, and it just helped to speed up the process. So this is a win in my book. And I typically like to detangle and twist in sections just so it keeps me organized and I know the product is evenly being distributed throughout my hair. And plus, when I'm ready to rinse, it just makes it so much easier for me to manage. Onward to leave-in conditioner. So now for this step, I am just really picky. When it comes to leave-in conditioners, I absolutely adore spray leave-in conditioners versus cream leave-in conditioners. I don't know why, I just strangely prefer that. I really appreciate super lightweight products, and I feel like even using a small amount of cream-based leave-in conditioner, it just still weighs down so heavy on my hair. But when I use a spray leave-in, it's not heavy and I can add as much as I want without having to worry about product buildup. So guys, I went ahead and I blowed my hair out off camera just to save some time, and plus I was getting hot and I don't need y'all seeing me all hot and sweaty on camera, so we don't need that. We don't need that at all. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I really love me a good oil and cream combo. So I was really hyped when I saw that this hair care line came with both of those products. The oil is very light, and what really stood out the most to me about the cream was that it dried super fast. Now if you're like me when it comes to doing twist outs, I don't know what it is, but I really am impatient and I hate waiting long for the product to dry. So I really appreciated that this cream, you know, smells good, it was super defining, but it really just had such a great quick dry time, and I don't know, I'm in love with it. Well guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this wash day routine, and I absolutely love the results that I got. If you are interested in trying out Gabrielle Union's hair care line, Flawless, definitely check the description area for a full listing of all the products that I've used today. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!